for all the announcements for winners, for the fantastic contests that we have had so far. We had Tweet of the Day contest for 2 days. The winner for tweet contests are Manish Agrawal, @Agrawal Manish. And Neil Mani, @Varma Neil Mani. Can we please have the t-shirt and Azure vouchers to be given to them? We had a fantastic brain booster contest. The winners and runner-up, or rather I should say the runner-up or the winners. The runner-up is Pramod from TCS and Rahul Gandhi from Siemens. May I invite Mohan Priya, Step-in Forum member, to kindly felicitate them with t-shirt and vouchers. Mohan Priya, TCS, BFS Assurance Canada head. T-shirt and assurance vouchers. Microsoft Azure vouchers for all the winners. For brain boosters. Winners. Winners for Brain Booster Contest, I request Mohan Priya to kindly stay. The winners for Brain Booster Contest, Manish from Barclays and Surbhi Kamboj from Adobe. The difference was only one question between the runners-up and the winners. A fantastic job done, Manish and Surbhi. Thank you, Mohan Priya. Thank you, Vasant Priya. Reverse. Brain boosters. Ladies and gentlemen, Step-in association with NASSCOM had organized a test authothon 2016, which was powered by Amazon Web Services on November 8, 2016 at 4 Points by Sheraton. May I request all the participating teams in their order to kindly come on stage. The participating teams are as follows. Team ADP, Team Barclays, Team Crest, Team Cognizant, Team Digite, Team Infostretch Corporation, Team Talentica, Team TCS, and Team VMware. Team ADP, may I please have Team ADP first on the stage. Akash Shivhare, Sachin Bhute, Sahil Thorat, Saurabh Dey, Vikas Verma. On the stage, Team ADP, please. Team ADP, I said. I said Team ADP. May I request all the teams to please be on this stage. Please be on the stage. As you walk in, please occupy one of the portion on the stage. The next team is Team Barclays. Shikhar Khandare, Lakshman Narwade, Ravi Prakash, Kirti Vasan Raju, Abhijit Husbands. Please be on stage. Team Barclays. The next team is Team Crest. Siddharth Kala, Nagesh Mittapalli, Anupam Patil, Deepak Patil, Abhijit Patil. Team Crest. Team Cognizant. Prabhu Ayappan. Team Cognizant. Prabhu Ayappan, Madan Raj Mairai Mani, Pranav Venkatachalam, Prasoon Kumar, Digvijay Singh. Team Infostretch Corporation, Team 1, Mehul Kagathara, Prakash Bhagat, Chintan Prajapati, Shalin Shah, Mohit Dharamshi. Please come on stage. Team Infostretch Corporation, Team 1. Team Infostretch Corporation, Team 2. Abhijit Rukmangarh, Engineering Manager, Ashutosh Kulkarni, Yogesh Pathrabe, Abhijit Aute, Mahesh Chaudhary. Yes, the applause needs to keep on going. Next team, Team Talentica, Mangesh Patil, Shailesh Ghargade, Tausif Hussain, Srajan Jain, Uday Nayak. Team Talentica. Team TCS, Hariprasad V, Snigdha Dash, Niranjan Parija, Rajshri. Team VMware, Sharat Chandra, Krishna Vempalli, Divan Chandra Bose, Ajit G, Harish Balakrishnan. To judge the Test Autothon 2016, we had jury panel. Yeah. Is it Team Talentica? Team Digitic? Yes. Deepak Nayak, Dalton De Silva, Ravi Shankar Tiwari, Deepti Shirke, Dheeraj Kadam. A big round of applause for all the 10 teams, ladies and gentlemen. Total 10 teams participated from 9 organizations. We thank Amazon Web Services for supporting this event by offering their technology platform. It was 6 hours pure hacking with cutting-edge tools and technologies. Number of participants traveling from various locations across India to attend this test autothon. This was a first of its kind hackathon event focused on testing, automation, and DevOps. In line with this year's theme of transformation of testing techniques to agile and DevOps practices, Teams were given assignment to implement continuous delivery deployment pipeline along with automated tests in line with agile test automation pyramid for an application using AWS platform and build continuous testing for API, web and mobile channels and deployment pipeline. To judge, we had a fantastic jury panel: Samir Thosar from Siemens, Krishnan Mani from Amazon, Dayanand Ghule from Dell, and Unmesh Gundecha, Barclays, who had an exclusive contribution for the entire contest. A big round of applause for jury. And may I request Dayanand Ghule and Unmesh Gundecha, Barclays, to kindly come on the stage to speak about the significant contribution of all the 10 teams.
Yeah, good evening all. So it was a really tough job. So I would say it was a two-phase job. So few people made it really easy for us and few people made very, very tough. So at the half of our findings, Krishna and Samir were visiting the teams and trying to probe their questions and trying to understand what they are doing. We were just taking down the notes and we had some sort of a you can say made up sort of a 50-50 decision with dividing the team into two grades. And so the other part, which was maybe more into learning phase or more into kind of improvement phase, they did also a great job. They had tried out a lot of good things. They tried out a lot of tools, a lot of maybe innovative things. And they were sort of more inputs for people like us, maybe out of the box thinking kind of thing. And the other group, which was sort of more like things which were more like a contenders or competitors for each other. We formed a separate section of around 5 teams, and those teams demonstrated really well in terms of end-to-end delivery. Evaluation criteria was based on a lot of things. It was teamwork, it was the type of tools and techniques being used, kind of forward thinking, usability, and how it's going to get adopted by the company if it has to be really adopted as a solution. So those types of evaluation criteria we had, and we just graded. And again, as I said, it was really a tough job to sort out 2 people. Maybe to mention just in the list of what the people were announced, I'll just tell maybe 1 or 2 lines about each team, what we noticed and what took us to some conclusions. So ADP was a great team. Everyone was a great team, but yeah, they had taken a good use of Amazon tools, and there was a good teamwork, and there was good, you can say, vision what they carried. Barclays had a kind of innovative thought related to usage of database for test repository or the test cases and result validation and stuff like that. It was again slightly out of the way and making it more usable and more reusable kind of a solution. Crest used a very nice Omelette open source framework where they had browser compatibility testing and try to achieve maximum coverage from the usability angle. Cognizant was good. They had again tried out with the iOS kind of app, and they also were more probing the usability of AWS itself, finding defects in AWS, or maybe making their work more improved. That was the way what they thought of. Digite, again, good use of new techniques, usage of things like Jasmine, Valgrind, or they were, although not able to reach to the end-to-end, but the bits and pieces, whatever they delivered or demonstrated was in a good intention and was really native. InfoStretch 1, again, they had really end-to-end thinking right from the scratch to the end. Had a very nice presentation, nice way of representing how they did and what they have achieved. InfoStretch 2, the CI/CD part and the code build, again, usage of complete AWS thing they attempted. That was a great part on their side. Talentica again tried using again GitHub instead of code build off AWS, and they had that pipeline working. So again, good usage of AWS tools. TCS again attempted for iOS, and they were again more into learning phase. What's they we have noticed, and again end-to-end delivery by VMware with really great maturity in terms of the end user need. So again, as I said, it was a great competition and great teamwork by each and everyone. It was learning for us as well. I mean, we being although more than 15, 20 years in the industry, got to know a really different way of thinking of automation and what people are really moving towards and what they are thinking. So thanks all, and thank you for all your patience and giving good feedback to us. Thanks. So you'd like to add anything?
We'll be giving participation certificates and Microsoft Azure vouchers to all the 10 teams. So the first team is Team ADP. Second team, Team Barclays. Third team, Team Crest. Team 4, Team Cognizant. Team 5, Team Digite. Team 6, Team InfoStretch Corporation, Team 1. So Team InfoStretch, Team 2. Team Talentica. So Team TCS. Team VMware. It's now the time for results. Any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? Winners for Test Autothon 2016. Is it Team Barclays? Or is it Team Crest? Or it is Team Cognizant? Let us see some more enthusiasm and guesses. Team Digite, InfoStretch, Team Talentica, Team VMware, Team TCS. The runner-up will get a check worth rupees 50,000. And the runner-up for Test Autothon, runner-up for Test Autothon 2016, may I call upon Mr. Vinay Baid, Vice Convener Step In, Co-Founder Verity, to kindly be on stage. Shall we start the countdown again for the 10 teams? Who is going to be? Ladies and gentlemen, runner-up for Test Autothon 2016 is Team ADP. Big round of applause for Team ADP. Mr. Vinay Baid, Vice Convener Step In and Co-Founder Verity, handing over the trophy. It's now the time to announce the winner. May I invite Mr. Sundar Ganesh, Director Head of Testing, BTCI, Step In Pune Chapter Chair, to kindly be on stage to felicitate the winners for Test Autothon 2016. Who is it gonna be? We already have ADP, one down. Is it going to be Team Talentica or Team Barclays? Team Crest, Team Cognizant, Team Digite, Team InfoStretch? Well, you guessed it right. It's Team InfoStretch, Team 1. Big round of applause for Team 1. The prize money for winners, a whopping 1 lakh rupees, pocketed by Team InfoStretch 1. A big round of applause. Thank you so much, everyone. Kindly occupy your seats. And, of course, a selfie with all of them. Group photo for all of them. To felicitate the jury, Mr. Dayanand Gule, and to be a part of this iconic photograph, may I invite Vasant Priya to please be here and request Mr. Dayanand Gule to kindly join in the moment. May I have bouquet and memento to be presented to Mr. Dayanand Gule by Vasant Priya. Request Unmesh also to join. Request all to wait. Unmesh, kindly join for the felicitation too. An exclusive contribution done by Unmesh for this Test Autothon 2016. We had a fantastic selfie contest as well, covering all the moments, and all the participants have uploaded their fantastic selfies. The best three selfies as chosen by the jury are Akshay Bhave, Harshad Jagdale and Manish Agrawal. May I have all of you on the stage, please? May I have all three of you on the stage, please? Manish Agrawal, Harshad Jagdale and Akshay Bhave, are you here? Request Mr. Sanal Nair, Evangelist Step in Forum, to please give away a t-shirt and Microsoft Azure voucher to Manish Agrawal. It has been a fantastic conference, ladies and gentlemen, thanks to active participation from all of you. For the conference wrap-up and the closing remarks, may I invite Mr. Rajneesh Malviya, Vice President, Delivery Center Head Pune, Global Head IVS Financial Service and HIL, Infosys, to please give away the closing remarks and vote of thanks. Thank you.
Good evening, folks. I think people have already started leaving. So I think, folks, for last 2 days, in fact, last 3 days, we have been going through this entire exercise. But before I talk about what is that we did in last 3 days and what are some of the things that we could achieve, let me step back. A year back when we were in the first Pune Software Testing Conference last year, and when we launched last year, there was a lot of excitement. There was a lot of sense of pride in terms of what we have been able to achieve together as a team in Pune, and how we could really bring the entire industry together, entire IT fraternity together on a common platform. When we ended last year, we wanted to make sure that we make it big, and we started dreaming about it. We took pledge in terms of what we need to do together to, when we do the PSTCs 2016, how the entire event should be looking like. So I think for last 4-5 months, the team has been working very closely to make sure that what we visualize, what we wanted to achieve for this forum, they work on every minor details, every every other activity which can really make it the entire forum very exciting, very engaging, and at the same time keep the learning part active, learning part involved throughout the 3 days. And I think I would say that with the proud, uh, this team has been able to achieve it. We started with the test autothon, and I think we saw the amount of excitement, the amount of anxiety among the team in terms of what they could achieve. In fact, I saw a lot of young crowd who are really enthused about this entire competition, and probably they again gave us another sense of proud factor, and probably another reason for us to see how do we make it much more bigger next year. Last 2 days, we have seen number of speakers talking about different topics. We covered model and methods, we covered the tools, we covered the people side, and we covered the technology side last 2 days. We had total 7 keynote speakers. We had total 7 keynote speakers, and we also had number of interesting speakers coming and talking about the topics which I think, which all we work very closely. Probably we, but we are probably those learning, those inputs are going to help us in elevating ourselves, whatever we are doing in our own world. The again, I'm not going to get into the individual topics because I think there were the topics were really interesting, really diverse. One other thing that we wanted to make sure that we do while we are running through this session, how do we bring the diverse set of speakers this time? And I think we saw people, someone talking about security, vulnerability, people like Wolfgang talking about some of the interesting thing which is happening in the world of APIs, people talking about IoTs, people talking about the AI machine learnings, and we also saw some interesting discussion on the people side run by Kavita Kulkarni today morning, and Pete Thompson talking about the innovation in testing. So I think it's a very interesting topic to cover, to wrap up this entire 2-day event. So to end this entire exercise, let me thank you for being there, for sticking for last 2 days. In fact, I was asking the attendance, what was the attendance that we had, and interestingly, we had over 250 people participated in last 2 days, which is, I think, is, in a sense, it's a very remarkable achievement, and I should say thank you to every one of you for making it happen. Last year, we did close to 160 to 170 and 240, I think, making a good progress. I think it's a significant progress for this conference. So I would like to, while we are wrapping up the session, I would like to thank you for staying for last 2 days, making sure that you engage, you remain active, and participate actively into all the programs that we did, including the quizzes, including some of the sessions that we ran. Also, I would like to thank all our speakers, the keynote speakers, as well as all the speakers for wonderful sessions. I think each one of them had number of commitments beyond what they did today, but still they made sure that they take out time and they spend here, they spend time with you and talk about what they like, especially in their own world. I would also like to call upon and thank all our sponsors. I think without them, probably we would not have been here. So please give a big round of applause to all our sponsors in terms of Barclays, Tricentis, Accenture, and number of sponsors who have been, been there, who supported this entire event and made sure that we have, enough setup for us to run this exercise. I would also call upon our MC, Mayank and Manisha. Thank you guys for making it happen. And if you can come down, if you can come up on stage, we'll take a group photo. So please come up stage. Unmesh and jury panels, please guys, thank you for making it happen. I know it was not easy, so please can you come on the stage and we'll take a group photo together. our official bloggers, Chitij, Nilmani, Harsha. Well done, folks. And last but not the least, all our EC members, I think, who have been running last 4-5 months to really make it happen. So guys, come on board. All the EC members, Sundar, Anil, Sanal, please guys, come on. Thank you, folks. Thank you for making this event and elevating the, PSTC to another benchmark. And I'm sure the excitement that you have created will make PSTC 2017 much more exciting, much more eventful. Thank you, folks. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajneesh Malviya, for the closing remarks. May I now hand over the stage to Mr. Praveen Daga, Community Architect, Step-In Forum, for the further proceedings.
Good evening, everyone. So I won't take much time now. So on behalf of Step-In team, I would like to thank our Masters of Ceremony for the PSTC 2016. They really kept us engaged for the entire 2 days, and give a huge round of applause for them. And to facilitate them, I would like to call Mr. Vinay Baid on stage. So Ms. Manisha Shinde, Senior Consultant, Hitachi Consulting, please come here and accept the token of appreciation. Now I would like to call Mr. Mayank Naidu, business analyst from a leading investment bank. Mr. Mayank Naidu, give him a huge round of applause, please. I would request Vinay to please stay here. Now, last but not the least, I would like to thank all the EC members, Pune chapter, for their unconditional support. And definitely, literally, words are not enough to praise your hard work they have put in to make this event successful. Give them a huge, huge round of applause. So now I'm just calling your name. I'm not going to say your designations. And please come on stage. First, I would like to call Mr. Sundar Ganesh on stage for the felicitation. Please, Sundar. Mr. Sudhir Patil. Mr. Sunil Jagdale. Ms. Vasant Priya. Mr. Rajneesh Malviya. Mr. Ranjan Banerjee. Mr. Amit Vaidya, Mr. Varun Rathod, Mrs. Smita Kelkar, and now in the last, the man who actually hold everything together, Mr. Anil Nahata. So I would like to call now, thank you very much. Really, with your support, I think we made this event successful. Thanks a lot. Huge round of applause for the team. Now I'd like to call Mr. Sanal Nair for the thanks note for the sponsors. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Step-In Forum and Indian Testing Board, would like to thank Accenture for being the event sponsor. Would like to thank gold sponsors Tricentis, Verity Software, and Barclays. Associate sponsor SQS. Our community partners Tea Time with Testers, IUE Magazine, Eurostar Conferences, and Quality Testing. Thank you.